There's not much undercover about model-turned-actress Jess Impiazzi in this shot. But detective work reveals two big life changes. 3. Model-turned-actress Jess Impiazzi poses in lacy red underwear-credit, lipstick syndication. 3. Jess has been filming J.K. Rowling's BBC crime thriller Strike.Credit, Splash News. The ex-reality TV star, 32, has been filming for J.K. Rowling's BBC crime thriller Strike. And she confirmed she's been dating ex-Liverpool star Jermaine Pennant, 39, for 5 months. Jess told The Sun on Sunday, "It's going really well with Jermaine, we're happy." The couple even went on their first holiday together to Tenerife last month. A source said, Jess is finally ready to date again after her divorce. She and Jermaine have been dating since last November and things are going really well. They have both had really public relationships in the past, but are keen to keep this one away from the public eye. This holiday has really cemented their relationship and Jess's friends are really pleased to see her so happy. Jess, who rose to fame on Ex on the Beach, was left heartbroken last year after her boyfriend, old school pal Matthew Cook, abruptly dumped her. Prior to that she dated footballer Samir Carruthers, but they split after a year of dating. She was previously married to rugby player Denny Solomona. 3. Jess recently confirmed she's been dating ex-Liverpool star Jermaine Pennant, 39, for 5 months. Credit, PA.